In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the TurboTax app on an iPad. Installing TurboTax on an iPad is quick and works just like adding any other app from the Apple App Store. I'll walk you through finding the official app, downloading it securely, and opening it so you're ready to start your taxes on your tablet. Begin on your iPad's home screen and open the App Store. In the App Store, tap the Search tab and type TurboTax into the search bar. You're looking for the official TurboTax app published by Intuit. Check the developer name listed under the app title. It should say Intuit. The official icon typically features TurboTax's familiar branding, which helps you confirm you're in the right place before you download. When you found the correct app, tap the Get button. If you see a cloud icon with a downward arrow instead of Get, that simply means you've downloaded it before. Tapping it will re-download the app to your device. Next, authenticate the download the same way you do for any App Store purchase, using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password, depending on your settings. This step confirms it's really you and keeps your device secure. You'll see a small progress circle on the app tile as the download installs. Let it complete. Once the button changes to open, tap it to launch TurboTax right away. The app will also appear on your home screen, so you can open it from there and anytime. With the TurboTax mobile app installed, you can securely prepare and file your taxes directly from your iPad. The app is designed to save your progress to your account, which means you can switch devices and pick up where you left off. That flexibility is especially helpful if you start on your tablet and need to continue later on a different device. A few quick tips for a smooth experience. Make sure you have a stable internet connection while downloading, and check that you have enough free storage on your iPad. If the download seems slow, staying connected to Wi-Fi can help. If you ever see the app stuck during installation, pausing and resuming the download from the home screen icon often resolves it. That's all you need to install TurboTax on an iPad. Search for TurboTax, confirm it's the official Intuit app, tap Get, authenticate, and open it once the install finishes. For more details about features, compatibility, or support, you can visit the official Intuit website. Thanks for watching and enjoy the convenience of doing your taxes on your iPad.